All right, so I'm going to show how we do our walkthrough, how we use our tool to make cold outbound done by AI. I have this CSV saved as a blank so I can make copies of it and put in information. We need these headers: name, org, email, num, bot name with the N capitalized, context, voice, and time. I'm going to go ahead and make a copy. I'm going to call this Topeka Lawyers CallForge, which is our tool's name. Make a copy. And then I'm going to go and open up a CSV of data I downloaded, as it does that, of, should be the most recent, Topeka Metro Lawyers CSV. We're going to open that with Google Sheets. If it'll let me. It doesn't look like it's going to let me. So we'll open it in an Excel viewer. Bring me that. Sorry, I got a child during my tutorial demo here doing homework because I'm a work from home guy. So I'm going to go, nope, that's not what I want either. I love it when I upload a CSV and it doesn't want to do the thing that I want it to do. So we're going to, it doesn't want to let me open it with Sheets, and I don't understand why. Internal apps. Clear all. See, it just doesn't want to let me do it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to download that CSV. I've got it twice. That's interesting. And then we're going to go to a blank. We're going to import. We're going to upload and browse. And we're going to, wow, it didn't download. So let's cancel that. Let's go back over here. Why did it not download? It's not control leads, it's this. There we go. Now it's downloaded. Now we'll go over here. This is a lovely demo recording as all the things happened. Okay, we're importing that CSV. Open it up. Open now. Okay, now, as you can see, I've got business name, executive name, phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy one thing at a time and paste it in here, right here. Okay? I'm going to come back over here. We're going to copy the business name, come back over here, and we're going to paste that into the org. Notice I'm going under the header. Now we don't have an email. We're going to have to put something in there. That's actually fairly easy to do. We're going to copy the number. Go back over here, right here. Okay. Now we're going to delete this row. And now we've got it starting where we need it to be. Our bot name, we're going to use Harley because that is our official representative's name. The context, I'll show you how to write in a second. This is Alloy is the voice we're going to use. Alloy, Shimmer, and Echo are the ones. For time, we can put 09:00, or we can leave that one blank. Now for the email, what we're going to want to do is put in A, and then we're going to copy that. And then we're going to highlight all the way down to the end of the list. And paste. And then for context, we are going to go and get our full context, which is, actually should still be in there. Okay. So right now what we've got is our full sales context is running in the main context spot. We're going to have that put into the back end of the code. Again, once we get a few adjustments made from switching over to real-time API, we're going to copy the sales bot context and then go back over to our list here. We're going to put this in here, open this up. We're going to come in here, and where it's talking about our current business, Firebringer AI, we're going to put in right here, just a quick introductory call. And we're actually doing Firebringer AI for this call set, so we'll go ahead and leave it like that. But you would just change this. You would use the capitalized in a curly bracket as a dynamic tag, so it calls this information. And then copy it, and then you're going to want to do the same thing as you did with the email NA. You're going to highlight all the way to the bottom, and then hit paste. You're going to do that with every one of these. Because you got to have as few blanks as possible. And you'll notice there's some blanks in the names. We would actually run a filter to eliminate those listings before we put it in. But I'm not going to do that right now because that's going to take more time on the demo that I don't really want to do. So we would take that, we would download as a CSV. As it does that, puts it in there. Then we come over here and we make sure this is all off. Choose file. We go to that file, click open, click upload, and then when we turn this on and this on, it will start dialing. It will put the information in here that needs to be in here. It will select the voice, it will do all the things, and then you will get a transcript of what the person is saying. To a degree, the transcription's a little glitchy still, and it will run through that list. It will have the conversation. Now, I'm also going to include an actual sample call in the back end of this audio, of this video. So I'm going to open up. We'll shut our Audacity down. I can't shut it down. There we go. All right. So we would make a call here. Now, if you wanted to just do a manual test call, and I always recommend that when you put new context in, fill this information out manually, and instead of starting the automation and unpausing it, just put your own phone number in here and have it call you. That way you know if you need to make any adjustments to the context or the temperature. The temperature is going to be its dynamic voice, how much human it sounds, basically. The lower the temperature, the less human. So all of that. The higher the temperature, the more likely you'll get some weird stuff, so you don't want to get it too high either. And that's it. That's the bot running.